Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Naima Akhter Tesha, Assistant Teacher, Science of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take class 2 computer class based on short question. Let's start our class. It's a RW class and our lecture number is 16. And today we will discuss short question from 7 up to 12. Let's start. Question number 7. How can you select an item? We can select an item on the monitor screen with a mouse click. We can select an item on the monitor screen with a mouse click. Number 8. What is called drawing area? Answer is the white portion on the paint screen is called the drawing area. The white portion on the paint screen is called the drawing area. Number 9. How can you start the paint program? Answer is the process of starting paint program is given below. First step, start button, then all program, then accessories, and last one is paint. Start button, all program, accessories and paint. The spelling of accessories ACCESSORIES, accessories. Number 10. How does the eraser tool help us? Answer. The eraser tool helps us to erase drawings from the drawing area. The eraser tool helps us to erase drawings from the drawing area. Number 11. Why do we use brushes and pencil tools? Answer. We use brushes and pencil tools to draw pictures on the computer. We use brushes and pencil tools to draw pictures on the computer. Number 12. How can you fill color in your drawings? Answer. We can fill color in our drawings using either the brushes tool or the fill with color tool. We can fill color in our drawings using either the brushes tools or the fill with color tool. Students, we have finished our class today. It was a RW class. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.